When you open graphical analysis, you should see a screen like this that asks you how you want to collect your data. We're going to use sensor data collection. So you're going to tap on that. You need to make sure that the colorimeter you're using is turned on. So there's a power button right here, and the light should be blinking. And right above the blinking light, there is a number. You're going to match that ID number to what is on your screen. So in my case, it's this first one. I'm going to connect it. It should appear at the top here, and then I say done. Once I have done that, I'm going to need to set up the mode according to the directions. So you want to set your settings so that it is time-based. We're going to do this in minutes. So change it to minutes, otherwise you'll have to calculate how many seconds this is. 2 samples per minute is fine, that's every 30 seconds, or if you want to make it more, that's fine as well. I'm just going to try it at 4 samples per second. If we get this NAN, that means that it's done something wrong, and so you're going to need to make sure that that's not superscripted. So I'm going to delete this, and I also need to delete the bottom part. Oops. And try this again. Okay, so now it has the 4 samples per minute, and it's automatically calculated what the interval is. The other thing I want to change is amount of time. So our lab says to do this for 20 minutes, so we want to make sure that we set it to 20 minutes. And again, I've got this superscript. I don't know why it does that sometimes, but if it superscripts, it doesn't like it. So we're going to try it again. Oops, got a superscript. But once you get it not to superscript, then you hit done. These colorimeters that we will use are a little bit different from the ones in the video, but the setup is very similar. So you're first going to need to calibrate it. Now, something I want you to notice is that if you look inside, you should be able to see the color of the light that is coming through. And as you change the color on the wavelength, we should see a different color of light. Okay, we're going to set it to the 565, and we're going to put in distilled or deionized water for our calibration. You're going to hold the cal button, and below there will be a red light, and you're going to wait for that to stop blinking, so it'll take several seconds. And this will tell the colorimeter how much the water by itself is absorbing, so we're not having that get in the way of our measurement. You can then remove the water and proceed with your directions.